Sherwin 16PH, thank you so much. Thank you po for coming. Mega love shout out, Sherwin 16PH, thank you so much. Mega love shout out to you, sir. Oh, really? I don't know. I've been only in flawless salon just for my pedicure. Hi, Miguel Love, shout out Shiva Pri. Thank you so much for your super chat. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your super chat. I don't know this one. I don't know that one, Pramod. Which one? Thank you for the super chat. Thank you. Yeah, thank you also, Pramod. Sige po, Sir Sherwin. Salamat po. Dalawin kita mamaya pagka ano. Or baka papasukan na lang kita ng ibang alaga ko doon sa kabilang cellphone. I'm not sure actually if they are still open. I'm not familiar with them. Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Kahit anong magagawa, kung talagang ayaw mo na, sino ba naman ako para pigilin ka? Lumayo ka man ay maiiwan ang wakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang awiting ito ay I will cut my onion outside, I mean in the kitchen. Inside the kitchen because otherwise the smell will be here in the room. Thank you so much. Thank you. Coming straight back at me. Anyway, I will off now. Thank you so much. Later, Pramod. See you later. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. I don't know how to fly kiss. Yala, bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.